Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine during this lockdown period. This is necessary for our very own safety. So please follow all the instructions given by the local authorities. On that note, let me welcome you to my channel RoundTrip with Ashish, and for the first time I'm speaking to you from the front of the camera rather than being always behind the camera. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ashish and welcome to my channel. Before we begin, a very happy Easter to all the lovely people out there. So today I'll walk you through our journey wherein we traveled to Mangalore, my native place, on bike. We were planning it since last 6 months, and after taking the necessary permissions from our parents, we were ready to go. We had a rough blueprint of our ride, so we decided to break our journey into 2 days. So the entire journey of 950 kilometers, we thought of breaking it into 2 halves. So for the first day, we had a target of reaching Belgaum. So we left at around 6:30 in the morning. Everything was good for the first 15 kilometers. But after that, the problem started creeping in. We had mounted our luggages using the bungee cord. Due to some vibrations or the bad roads, the bungee cord went loose. So it was like up to 5 or 10 kilometers. Each one of us had this problem wherein our bags were sliding off. And that's when the problems begin. But I would take it as a learning experience, because what we learned is to tie our bags properly on the bikes using the bungee cords. So we did that. Actually, we waited for an hour or so and we were successfully able to mount our bags properly on the bike. And this learning experience we carried through our entire journey, wherein the bags didn't slide off even for a single second during our entire journey. So this is the positive that we took in fact from this journey. After being stuck in traffic for almost 2 hours before Lonavala, we managed to reach Lonavala, and I thought I had taken a good shot of the ghat section of the Lonavala. But you can have a look. Would you believe it? I took the entire video in a time-lapse mode, fast-forward mode. It was as good as being or doing waste of time. And to top it up, we were about to take the express highway. But God knows, due to our presence of mind, in the last minute, we managed to escape the expressway. We were back on track, but we were behind our actual schedule. And at around 3:30, we stopped for lunch somewhere between Pune and Satara. That is when I actually managed to shoot some video after we started our journey from Satara, from the hotel where we had lunch. Our plan was to reach Belgaum, as I mentioned earlier, but it was not looking possible, at least for today. So we decided to modify our plan, and we decided to take a halt in Kolhapur, and then we thought of continuing our journey the next day. Kolhapur at around 8 in the evening. Yeah, 8, at around 8 or 8:30 we reached there. Had our dinner, forgot everything that had happened throughout the day, and had a good rest and a good sleep throughout the night. Because next day there is always something new. A new day, new beginning. Day 2 started really very well. We had the famous Kolhapuri misal and poha for our breakfast, and we just left. So the roads were so nice that we just continued our initial part of the journey without stopping anywhere. In fact, we had crossed Belgaum and we entered Karnataka. Just because of this reason, we had to stop. This beautiful place marked our official entry to Karnataka. So we just stopped in to click some pictures and we continued our journey. The entire day was awesome because we were on schedule without any delays. And at around 7 o'clock in the evening, we reached somewhere before Murdeshwar. And we suddenly decided to change our plan and we took a halt in Murdeshwar so that we could visit the famous Murdeshwar temple, which was always on my mind whenever I traveled to Mangalore. So we took a halt before Murdeshwar. We stayed there, had a great dinner, and the day ended really well.